If you cut the 45 like that, okay, you can see that is 45. But let me show you the problem if you do it wrong. Can you see that it does not work? So let us show you the solution to that problem. First of all, the distance from this to the corner and from there to the corner must be exactly the same. And once you have measured that, you can make a line to help you. It measures 56.5 millimeters, and you must do the same there. And then you can make a line there to help you when you proceed with the cutting. I have cut it 45 like that, but it does not work. The right way to do it is that way around. The front portion of the thickness of this thing protrudes and the back is recessed, that line there. I want it the other way around. So if you do it like that, keeping it on the line exactly, now you can see the difference. See, that line is retracted, and this one, this line, this edge passes that edge there. So this will give me some meat to carve away